Kiki readers. The June-July 2014 issue of Kiki featured 3D printed objects that Kiki readers just like yourself submitted to be printed in this issue of Kiki. 3D printing might seem like a very intimidating process, but understanding the basics of how something like this happens is a great way to start to learn how to do it yourself. This video shows the general process for how those objects were printed. Here are the steps for 3D printing. Step 1. Draw out your concept on a piece of paper. Step 2. Create a 3D watertight model in a software program on the computer of your drawing. This model needs to be watertight or it could cause printing problems. Depending on the type of model you want to create, it may be easier to make in certain softwares but more difficult in others. So try a few of them out and find what works best for you. Once you have the model completed in your software program, you have to convert it to an STL formatted file, also called stereolithography. This is so the printer software can print the model. Step 3. Load the STL file in the printing software and make any adjustments at this step to increase the quality or speed of the print. The software generates a crisscross pattern on the inside of the print, so the printer will use less material and give the final print structural strength. You can view what each individual layer will look like and catch any problems before you try and print. Step 4. Start printing and wait. The printing times will vary depending on the complexity and quality of the print, but sometimes they can be quite long, lasting up to hours. Once the print is completed, the printed object can be painted or decorated in a range of materials. A lot of the objects that you see that were printed in the fashion spread of the June-July issue of Kiki magazine have been painted. Here's what the final product looked like in the Kiki issue. Now that you have a basic understanding for how 3D printing works, you can sit back and watch the rest of this video, which features the printing of 2 more of the 3D objects that were featured in the Kiki June-July 2014 fashion spread. A special thanks to Dustin Schlebaum for all of his awesome work on this amazing Kiki 3D printing project. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
The end.